Hey, this is Puneet back again, and in this video we'll see how to create a pictograph in Excel. So basically this pictograph is not a separate or a different kind of chart. It's basically converting a bar from a bar chart with an icon where you can insert a icon, or you can also use the stock icons from the Excel. So here I'm gonna download an icon from this website called Flat Icon. And you can also use any other website. You can also search on Google as well. So I'm going to download this. Now let's come back to our Excel file where I have this data and I just need to insert a bar chart first. So here in the insert tab, here I have a bar chart, a simple 2D bar chart. Now from here, the next thing that I need to do, I need to select the bars and open the format data series. Now from these format data series options, I need to go to fill and line, and under the fill option there is an option called picture or texture fill. So when I click on this picture or texture fill, it gives me an option here to insert a picture from a source. So as soon as I click on it, it further gives me an option to select a file, use a stock image. That's not preferable to use because we need to use an icon. And the second is to search for a picture online. And the last, use an icon that's already there in Excel. So if you click on from icons, you can see there are a lot of icons that I can use, but I have already downloaded an icon that I want to use. So what I will do is I will click on from a file, and then I will locate that icon. And click on insert. Now as soon as you insert that icon, the chart will use that one single icon and stretch it out throughout the entire bar. So now what I need to do is I need to click on stack. Now the moment I click on stack, Excel will automatically use number of icons according to the data that you have in the bar. So here I have 23 for the age group of 41 to 45. So it has used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it has used 8 icons for 23. But if you want to use your own unit, so let's suppose if you want to use one icon for every 5 data points, you can click on stack and scale with and enter 5 here. So here I have 23 for 41 to 45. So it has used 1, 2, 3, 4 and something half for the data value of 23. Now let's say instead of using one single icon, you can also use multiple icons within a single chart. So what I'm going to do is I have this data here which segregates male and female for number of counts of employees that we have in an organization. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a bar chart here, and I have only 2 bars here, but I'm going to use different icon for female and a different icon for male. So first of all, I need to select only single bar and then open the format data point and then fill and line, and from here picture or texture, insert from a file, and then I need to select the icon that I need to insert. So, and again I'm going to use stack here, and now for male, insert, again stack. So let's suppose if I want to change the background, I simply need to use the format option and I can change it from here. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video. And next week I'll be coming out with how to create a dynamic pictograph controlled with the option buttons or with the data validation drop down list. So I'll see you in the next video.